Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video, if you can't tell, I'm like sweating, but we are doing a full body workout at home. No equipment is needed unless you want. I did use like 3-pound weights and resistance band just to make it a little bit harder for me, but you don't have to, so you can modify it to fit you and what you're comfortable doing. So let's just jump right into the video. So to start off our workout, we're going to be warming up the body a little bit. So I like to do 20 jumping jacks and go right into 20 jump squats and repeat that 3 times.
It's something you don't know. The depths of my soul that I lose to you, baby. I can't give no more. 'Cause I'm tired of lying, and I don't know about you. I can let myself all deep in time to start a new life from you. We are through. Time to start anew.
So to start off with our upper body, we're going to start off with some Arnold dumbbell press. I'm just using 3-pound weights. Again, you don't have to use weights if you don't want to, and we're going to do 3 sets of 12.
You are dangerous and
Following right after with no rest, we're going to be doing alternating bicep curls. So we're going to do a hammer curl and then rotating it into just a normal bicep curl, and I like to do 3 sets of 12 again. Make sure when you're counting you do the hammer curl and then a bicep curl as one full rep. Moving on to back and some triceps, we're going to be doing some bent over rows. This is for your back. Make sure to keep your elbows super close and really squeeze at the top there. And we're going to be doing 3 sets of 12 again, and following that again without no rest, we're going to go right into tricep extensions, doing 3 sets of 12, and then you can take a rest. Just to clarify, when I say you can take a rest after, is after each set. So after you do 1 set of the row and then 1 set of the extensions, then you can take a rest and do it again. So we're going to be doing some chest flies. We're going to do 3 sets of 12. We're doing 3 sets of 12 for every single workout. And keep your elbows really close to your body for this one. That way it works more of your chest than your shoulders. And go straight into alternating shoulder press. So you're going to do 1 arm at a time as if you're punching someone above you.
that look, babe. I know what's on your mind. Whatever you need, babe. I see it in your eyes.
Moving on to the lower body, which is my favorite, we're going to just be doing some normal squats, 3 sets of 12 again, and we're going to go straight into pull squats. You're going to hold for 5 seconds pulsing and then do a full squat, and again you're going to do that 3 sets of 12, and this one burns, you guys. It burns.
I'ma make you. Make you. Bend down low, babe. I'll blindfold.
Next up, we have some alternating back lunges. I love these. These are great if you have some weights, just to add a little bit of intensity to the workout. 3 sets of 12 on each leg, and follow that with a courtesy lunge, 3 sets of 12 on each leg again. Courtesy lunges, you're basically, instead of going straight back, you're going to go on a little bit of a diagonal.
I'ma make you moan. I'ma make you moan. We could be in Sydney or Vancouver in the backseat of an Uber. Girl, the way that I maneuver, I'ma make you moan. Over the phone, I'ma make you.
Now we have some side lunges. Kind of keep your legs as far apart as possible and really try to get as low as possible with these. Sometimes side lunges can be a little bit difficult. Again, 3 sets of 12 on each leg. Follow that with no rest with some good mornings. Try to keep your weights or your arms at least really close to your legs as possible and have a little bit of a bend in your knees. That way it works your hamstrings.
That way isn't gonna change a thing. I'm trying to move on, stay strong, but you just wanna keep this pain. Just slow down and listen. Hold on, let me try and explain. I'll tell you I'm sorry if it's gonna make you feel better, 'cause I need an army just to try and make you surrender. Just leave it, come on, leave it shut. You keep it, you just keep it up. I'll tell you I'm sorry, but it'll never make you feel better.
Next up, we have some abs. So I have 4 exercises for you guys that you'll do all at once, and then you'll take a break, and then you'll redo it again. So to start off, we have some crunches. These are simple. Put your legs up, crunch in, really focus on your abs. Next up, we have kind of like half V-ups, but you keep your legs a little bit bent and barely touch them to the ground. This freaking burns your abs so bad. And for all these, we're going to be doing 15 reps. Next up, we have alternating crunch, 1 leg crunch, and with a leg raise. So basically, you're going to take your opposite arm and your opposite leg. You're going to do 1 crunch, and then you're going to go ahead and touch your toes to the ceiling. And then you'll do that on the other side as well, 15 reps on each leg.
Just to try and make you surrender. Just leave it, come on, leave it shut. You keep it, you just keep it up. I'll tell you I'm sorry, but it'll never make you feel better.
Next up, we have some oblique dips. So I just went on my knees. You can stand, you don't have to be on your knees for this one. And I just did 15 on each side, making sure to really squeeze when I'm doing this so it really focuses more on my obliques. What a workout, guys. I'm literally sweating. It's also really humid right now. But that completes this full body workout. Now you can use equipment if you want. I used weights and resistance bands. If you don't have any of that, you can use a water bottle for weights, or you can just do your arms and tone your arms. So it's up to you. Hopefully this gives you an idea of some workouts to do and help you get in shape, fit, and feel your best. So give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.